Hi, welcome to the Just Hack Me at Python tutorial series. This video covers how to combine two lists. If you enjoy it, please like and subscribe. Start by creating two simple lists of elements. Our first list will be called fruit list. Our second list will be called color list. To combine the two lists, simply create a new list. We will name our new list Combined List. Next, assign your existing populated lists to the new list. By doing this, you will have a list of nested lists. If you wanted your combined list to be a simple list of elements and not a list of lists, you will need to iterate through each list and place its values in the new list. Again, our demonstration shows how to create a combined list that has nested lists. Looking to the terminal located on the right-hand side of your screen, we will print the new combined list. Well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please like and subscribe. Your support is greatly appreciated. This YouTube channel offers various other programming videos and tech-related content. Please feel free to browse the channel. You can also visit the website posted here for additional